Hello, Paul here, Chief Digital Strategist of Going Clear. Going Clear is a B2B digital agency located in Boston, Mass. Today, I'm going to share just one of the points from our fresh new ebook, The 22 Must-Haves for B2B Websites, which focuses on our G3 framework, getting more eyes to your website, giving them the right knowledge to increase conversions and leads, which ultimately is going to help grow your pipeline. All right, let's dive in. Point 19. Plugins and maintenance. Thinking beyond your B2B website launch, you want to be in a good place to have the right ongoing support for plugins, maintenance, regular core updates, and others to your CMS system. These can be essential for functionality, security, and compliance with the latest standards, making sure each month you have the latest instance of your CMS running. Partner with a web design and development team that offers ongoing support to keep your website running smoothly and securely. Well, I hope that point just shared provided you with the value when thinking about your B2B website. If it did, feel free to download the full ebook guide on the 22 must-haves for B2B websites at the link below.